Are you having trouble with your garage door and don't know where to start? Do you think it'll be too expensive to repair? Or do you think it would take too long and you just don't have the time to wait around until it gets repaired? Well, let me tell you, I have a solution to all of your commercial and residential door needs. At D-Mark, we will send you one of our experts to give you a free estimate, and we will get the job done as quickly as possible. We're a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week company, so what are you waiting for? Give us a call or fill out the information box and we will contact you right away.